Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have an art project that I'm gonna do today. So I got this stuff at AC Mo. I got this really cute, like real cute thing to put stuff inside. I'll show you guys after this is made. But I have like tons of perfumes and they're just like locally everywhere, and it would be nice to have like a basket to put them in. And I thought this was so cute because it has like hearts on the side and it's, you know, it has a lot of room inside. So I thought this would be perfect for it. I really wanted to paint it rose gold. And I got spray paint. I got this rose gold metallic. It's actually full, well, it's full indoor and outside. Works on metal, wood, and mo. They did have another one like just like for wood and stuff that it wasn't outside, but I didn't like that rose gold. As you can tell, this is like the real rose gold. The other one was like more pink and stuff and sparkly, and this one is just like metallic, and that's what I like. So I'm gonna use this on this. I'm gonna do it outside, of course. So I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys can see. So yeah. So I got my little setup area right here. So basically what I did is just put newspaper down. Yeah, and then right now, just shaking this up. I've been kind of shaking up a little bit. I actually never spray paint before. So, and it's kind of windy as you can tell. So, shaking up real good. And I'm going to do it. I don't know if you can tell, but I literally just spray painted, and it's such a beautiful color. I literally cannot wait to see what this is going to turn out to be. I love this color so much. So right now I'm waiting for it to dry. I'm gonna wait for an hour for it to dry. I put Moco on it, like a lot, since I have like, you know, a whole can full. But yeah, so on this side it's kind of a little bit darker than the other one because I was having trouble on that side because it kept dripping. I guess I should have waited and then coat Mo on afterwards. That's what it said online and I didn't read it until now. Oops, but I'm gonna let it dry and see what it turns out to be. So here it is. I waited for an hour for this to dry, and it's dried up. It's really well. You can't really like tell any spots like are dark or not. You can't really tell. The only thing is there is some like drips that you can feel, like some bumps there. That's the only thing, but like honestly it doesn't have to be perfect, and I really like it. And I love this color so much. I honestly want to paint my house. This color is such a perfect rose gold. I just love rose gold so much. And hey, there's a pizza box. And yeah, so I'm going to paint the bottom because why not? Like, I have so much spray paint left, so I'm going to do the bottom as well. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once I have my perfume in there. So I spray painted the bottom, and I also spray painted the sides here because it was still wooden. So, and I just left it sit for like 30 minutes. Well, actually more than 30 minutes. And this is sticking to it. But I'm going to have to touch it up here because some of the paint came off. So, and there was some spots I messed up on. There was this one side that like would not go, and I think it's this side, as you could tell. Like, they had some bumps. But like all the other sides, like, well, this one's a little messed up on, but they're like fine, like especially these. So I don't know, but it looks pretty good. I can like spray paint it over again if I really wanted to. I'm gonna think about it. But yeah, so far it looks okay. So this is what it looks like after it was all done. Pretty cute. I really love how rose gold it turned out to be. And then I put all my mini like perfumes in there. So it's really cute. I had to put this down because I'm using my flashlight. So it's better light. But you can see I have all my perfumes in there. Really cute. The big ones I can't put in there, but I could put the little ones in there. So that's pretty cool though. And yeah, I think it turned out pretty well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.